Can you hand me the wrench, Bruno? Nope. Throw that bolt in there. Just throw that bolt. Okay, hand me that wrench. Hey, any day now. Yeah. Okay, what do you think? Is that gonna work? You don't like that? It's not gonna work? It's not gonna work. Now what? I know that goes there. I know you've told me 3 times. Look, I'll make it work. I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm sure my dog knows more than I do. We make it work though. Well, they're finally here. Only 3 days. Bruno couldn't wait, but they're here. Let's have a gander at these Mittler Brothers Hydroshox. Pretty excited. These are packaged really good. We have the switch panel, hoses, and instructions. Now these are nice. These will work really well. So I went with the 5-inch shocks on them. Oh, Bruno, you're a lot more help on Christmas. So I just did some rough quick maths on what my truck was gonna weigh roughly, and I went with the 450 pound springs for the rear and 900 pound springs for the front. So hopefully that works out for me. If not, I can always change them in the future. It's kind of a guessing game because I have no idea what that truck's going to weigh. So the Mittler Brothers kit comes with everything you need. We got the wire harness with the switches, just simple front, rear, on and off for controlling everything. Stainless steel braided lines. All your fittings. And of course, detailed instructions in a nice little pamphlet. The hydraulic manifold. Really not that much size difference compared to an air manifold, so easy to locate. Comes with oil, little reservoir. So really, a lot more compact than an air system. You know, your manifold's slightly bigger than some of them out there. But I mean, the oil tank is quite a bit smaller than any air tanks you're gonna get. The shocks are obviously quite a bit smaller. So this is a 2,600 pound bag, which is the same size as the reservoir. So that gives you a comparison in that. Now obviously the diameter is quite a bit bigger than, you know, this hydraulic cylinder.
So that's gonna make install a lot easier and should work out a lot better on my truck since I don't have a whole lot of room in the rear. So that's actually very exciting for me. I'm also running the MRC Fab adjustable coilover mounts, and now these can be used on regular coilovers. These are designed by the guy who actually designed the Hydroshox kit, the MRC Fab. He shipped these out so fast, I was actually really impressed. I got 4 of these, front and rear, so that's pretty exciting. I'm also using Canadian Chassis Components rod ends for my 4-link and Watts link, and as well as my upper control arms. That's some pretty nice stuff going on the truck, so now I just gotta get on it and get it built. So I've had these kind of sitting around for a while. So far I'd highly recommend this product anyway. Not that I'm doing any reviews or anything, but so I'm excited for it. Should be fun.